Scanner cleaning, a simple guide to understanding and maintenance. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, scanner cleaning. This might seem like a technical term, but we'll break it down into simple concepts that are easy to understand. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. Scanner cleaning is a phrase that combines two words, scanner and cleaning. A scanner is a device used to copy images or documents into a digital format, commonly found in offices or at home. Cleaning, on the other hand, refers to the act of removing dirt, dust, or other impurities. So, scanner cleaning simply means the process of cleaning a scanner to ensure it functions properly and produces clear images. Scanner cleaning is crucial for several reasons. 1. Maintaining image quality. Dust and smudges on the scanner glass can cause spots or lines on scanned images. 2. Extending scanner life. Regular cleaning can prevent damage to the scanner's internal parts. 3. Ensuring accuracy. For scanners used in important tasks like document archiving, cleanliness is key to maintaining accuracy. Here are some steps for effective scanner cleaning. 1. Turn off and unplug. Safety first. Always turn off and unplug the scanner. 2. Use a soft cloth. Gently wipe the glass with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh materials that can scratch the glass. 3. Apply glass cleaner. If needed, use a glass cleaner, but spray it on the cloth, not directly on the glass. 4. Clean the exterior. Wipe the outside of the scanner to remove dust. 5. Regular maintenance. Make scanner cleaning a regular part of your device maintenance routine. Avoid these common mistakes. Using harsh chemicals, they can damage the scanner glass. Spraying cleaner directly on the glass. This can cause liquid to seep into the scanner and damage internal components. Overlooking regular cleaning. Neglecting regular cleaning can lead to the buildup of dust and affect scanner performance. That's all about scanner cleaning. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this simple yet important phrase. Remember, taking care of your devices is as important as using them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.